Okay, we're
Hello?
back. Yeah,
Yeah,
can you
yeah.
see?
Yeah, I can see you. Unfortunately, we lost our connections.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, can you read this one?
yeah. That is woodchuck. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck. He would as much as he could, as chuck as much as wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. That is
Okay.
really funny. Yeah, that is
Yes,
really funny.
that is silly. Can you tell me what today's date is?
It's Friday here.
What is the date, the month, and the date?
Yeah, it's 16, I think. I'm not correctly remembering, but I think it's 16 of April.
April
Sorry, it's
15th
15 here.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's April 15. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Just I forgot.
Can you name all of the months?
Yeah, I can. So why are you asking me all these things?
It's just things that most people want to know in American,
Okay, that's
people,
great.
American language, vocabulary,
Yeah, it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Awesome. Awesome. Good
So
job.
not a big deal. Yeah.
Yeah, not a big deal. Okay. Um, so you like cricket. Um, what else? Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, certainly. I ask a general question to every tutor. Then, what makes them laugh in their life
What makes me laugh?
every time in life? Then,
Uh,
whenever you are sad, then you certainly think out that thing, and you certainly broke out in laughing.
well, I teach little kids, 3-year-olds at a little church school, and they make me laugh every day. They always say something that is so inappropriate, but it is just funny. Or they walk around with no, they'll take their clothes off, or just something. But being around little kids always makes me laugh.
That's
What makes
great.
you
That's
laugh?
fantastic time you are having.
Yes.
No, since I'm a serious guy, but at the same time, whenever I see funny things, then whatever happened in any other's life that is silly and sounds funny, then I
Yeah.
just broke out in laughing.
Awesome. Well, it's nice to meet you. Bye.
Nice to
I
meet you
hope to
too. Bye
I hope
bye.
to see you again.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.